Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can calculate percentages using the calculator on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. Navigate to your spreadsheet, guys, and let's assume, for example, you would like to calculate, let's say, that number here of a total number, right? In this case here, what you want to do is left click into the cell below you would like to add the calculation to, and then start adding the following formula. Enter equal to, and then enter the cell number of the part, which is, in this case here, let's go with this number, which is C16, right? And then add slash or divided by, and enter the cell number of, or cell name of the total value, which is this one here, which is C18. Press enter, and that is going to give you the percentage of that number of the total number. If you don't see the percentages, guys, but let's say another number format, left click into the cell, navigate to view, and then what you want to do is, navigate to format here, and then navigate to number and switch from number to percent, for example, to have that number here displayed in percentages and not in decimals, for example. So that's how I do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.